This is Discover Together at Halton Hills Public Library. Let's discover make-do kits. Visit our website at www.hhpl.on.ca to borrow this kit with your library card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to get started on our make-do project. Here is the kit that you can get, and I'm going to show you what comes inside of it. So you get this special safe saw. There it is. You get a screwdriver to help you screw in the little fasteners. Then you get this little mini tool, which you can poke holes in, and it also acts as a little screwdriver. And you will get these awesome, they're called screws, these blue plastic fasteners that you can use on any type of project. So that's what we're going to be using today. And it comes in this great envelope that you pick up at the library. It's got some ideas on here, but you of course can make up your own. So today's project is going to be a snake. We're going to make a long, colorful snake. So I got lucky and I found some cardboard that is a beautiful orange color, but it doesn't have to be. You could color it in, you could make patterns on it, you could use cereal boxes or any other types of boxes, make it colorful, cut it out. So I have started cutting out some of these. Here they are, and I've decorated them a little bit. Polka dots and squiggles and lines. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So I just cut out some cardboard like this, and it doesn't have to be precise, the size, because we're going to attach them like a snake. So I kind of just did it quickly like that. Okay, and this one, I think I'm going to make the head of the snake, so maybe I'll draw a face on him. Make a cute little friendly snake. All right, and then this will be his tail. So I'll do a little bit of a different shape because it's going to be the tail. So I'll go like that. I'll only have one fastener on it because it is the end. And we'll make it a pointy tail like that. Looks like a carrot. All right, and then we'll do, I just used a marker. Make a cute face on our snake, and there he is. There's his eyes, and here's his mouth. Again, you have his tongue sticking out. And here's his squiggly mouth. Great big eyes, and we can just make a pattern down his back like that. Line it up, and this is going to be his tail. Not really sure what to do on the tail. Maybe we'll just do some stripes. It even looks more like a carrot now. There we go. Okay. All right. So now we need to make holes in all of these to put our fasteners in. I've done it on some of these, but I'll show you how you do it. So you can use this little tool, which helps to poke your hole. So this has a little sharp end on it. You poke it in. There you go. Then you've got your little hole. And for the tail, we'll need another hole too. Poke it in. All right, now we're going to put all our pieces together and use all these tools. So let's start with the head, and we're going to add this little one. So we're going to take one of the fasteners, and you just poke it in. See the little blue bit on the side? And then we're going to poke it in the second part of it, and all you're going to do is screw it in. So you have these nice plastic tools to help you. Makes it so much easier. That's it. There's one. Really super simple. And let's just keep going here. It doesn't take long. With these tools, it helps so much because you don't have to hurt your little fingers. And it's starting to look like a real fun snake. Let's keep going here. Let's do the polka dots. And we've got all our little fasteners. Poke it in. Poke it in there. And get our tool. And turn, 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 not too hard. You can even use this tool as well, which is great because there's two of them. So if two of you are using one kit, you can both be productive at the same time. So let's Stick that in. I'll show you how this one works. Pretty much the same thing, it's just smaller. And turn, turn, turn. And it's really starting to look like a snake. Okay, we got 2 more pieces. Let's do this. We're going to stick this here. Put our little fastener there. And use our special screwdriver here. And you can see how it looks on the bottom. You can even flip it over and it can be a reversible snake. All right, and we're working on our tail now. Here we go. Take one of these little fasteners and in it goes. And turn, turn, turn. And there we have it, our lovely snake. Here he is. And you can twist him and turn him and put him anywhere you want. You can go crawling across the table. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Are you ready to discover something new? Go to www.hhpl.on.ca and search Discover Together to put one of these kits on hold. And don't forget your library card. Right, Snakey? Bye.